If you own a Google Pixel phone, and you've ever heard a strange popping or crackling sound when opening or closing apps, you're definitely not alone. In fact, this issue has been around for so long that some Pixel users are starting to joke that it's not a bug at all, but an actual Pixel feature. As funny as that sounds, the reality is a bit more frustrating. Bugs on smartphones are nothing new. Most of the time, they get noticed quickly and fixed within a few updates. But this particular Pixel issue is different. Users have been reporting a loud popping noise when switching apps, and this problem has existed since the COVID era. That means it's been around for years, quietly annoying users across multiple Pixel generations. Opening and closing apps is one of the most basic things you do on a phone, so hearing a loud noise during something so simple feels strange. Recently, many reports have focused on the Pixel 10 series, but this is not a new problem limited to the latest phones. Users have reported the same issue on older models like the Pixel 9, Pixel 8, and even the Pixel 7. One Reddit user even claimed they experienced something similar nearly 6 years ago, which lines up with the Pixel 3 era. Looking at user reports, a clear pattern starts to appear. The popping noise usually happens when audio is already playing on the phone. For example, you might be listening to music on YouTube Music or Spotify, and then you open another app that plays a sound when it launches, like a game or a language learning app. That's often when the loud pop happens. Interestingly, it doesn't occur every single time. Sometimes it happens repeatedly, and other times it only shows up once every 30 or 40 minutes, making it feel very random. What makes this bug even more confusing is that volume settings don't seem to matter. One user mentioned hearing the popping sound even when their phone's volume was turned all the way down to zero. Another user said it happened multiple times while using Duolingo, while someone else described the sound as extremely uncomfortable, especially when it happens in a quiet room. It's the kind of noise that instantly makes you wonder if something is wrong with your phone. Because this issue has existed for so long, some users have started to treat it as a joke. One Reddit user commented that it's actually a Pixel feature that's been around since the Pixel 3a. Whether that was sarcasm or genuine belief is hard to tell, but it does highlight how long Google has gone without properly addressing the problem. At first, some people thought the popping noise might be caused by faulty hardware. One Pixel 10 Pro user even went as far as getting their phone's speakers replaced. Unfortunately, that didn't solve the issue. The popping sound still happened, which strongly suggests that this is not a hardware problem at all. Instead, it points to a software-related bug that Google has somehow allowed to stick around for years. So what's actually causing the popping noise? Google hasn't given any official explanation, even though the issue has been discussed on Reddit and Google's own community forums. However, a likely explanation is that it's related to the phone's audio driver. The audio driver may be glitching when a short sound effect, like an app launch sound, interrupts audio that's already playing in the background. That sudden switch could be causing the system to misbehave, resulting in the loud pop users are hearing. Interestingly, not everyone can reproduce the issue. Some users, even after trying specific app combinations that others reported, don't experience the problem at all. This inconsistency makes the bug harder to track down and might explain why it has taken so long to fix. The good news is that the issue has been gaining more attention recently. As more Pixel users speak up, there's a better chance Google will finally take it seriously and roll out a fix. That said, this popping noise is just one of several problems Pixel users have dealt with lately. The January 2026 update reportedly broke internet connectivity on some Pixel 10 devices. Before that, another update caused issues with the Always On display, and a Google Play system update affected performance on newer Pixels. Pixel phones are known for their clean software and smart features, but long-lasting bugs like this can hurt that reputation. Hopefully, Google steps in soon and finally puts an end to a bug that's been haunting Pixel users since the pandemic days.